miss my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
Hi, I'm Mark Rackley. When it comes to learning client-side development in SharePoint, do you feel alone? When you ask for help, is all you get the sound of silence? Are your users frustrated because SharePoint looks like SharePoint? Do you just wish you could make SharePoint do what you want to do? Well, come to my client-side development workshop at SharePoint Fest DC in March, and I will teach you to use things like JavaScript and jQuery and third-party libraries to take your SharePoint sites and applications to the next level. Learn how to create really complex forms with complicated business logic, stunning dashboards, and animations and other things that make your applications more usable and more engaging to your users. So I'll see you on March 27th at SharePoint Fest DC. And remember, the more you know,